I'm the homeowner of the property behind me. My wife and I recently decided that this is going to be our forever home, meaning that in the next 30, 40 years, we're going to be living here. Roofing is one of our biggest concerns because this house was built in 2007 and it's been almost 20 years. It definitely needs to be replaced. So with that in mind, we called a couple roofing companies and JMAR was one of them. Got a couple competitive quotes. And we ultimately went with JMAR. JMAR was not the cheapest, but you get what you paid for. The customer service, the depth of knowledge, the history in this industry, and the product they carry are absolutely top-notch. The crews were extremely professional, very polite, and overall it's a great experience. Also the paint job and the gutter and all of the replace of the old fascia, the rotten carpentry was just a breeze. I thought it was a huge problem because some of the wood was really rotted and all of them got replaced, and at the same time they made some great recommendations. Drip edge, how to seal that, double the high temperature peel and stick membranes, all of those are absolutely great. So overall I rated at 10 out of 10. Absolutely fantastic job.